I just bought this mic arm. It is the Elgato Wave arm, and I thought I would do a little review on it. Actually, I've had several different mic arms. I just bought another one, but when my son came to visit me, he said, "Dad, you really need to check out this Elgato Wave arm." So I went ahead and bought it, did a comparison on it, and decided to keep it. Now I want to share with you some of the benefits and some of the features that I like about this arm. So the first thing I pull out of the box is the base. The base is very hefty. It's wide. Um, both parts that fit on the top and the bottom of the desk are wide enough to really help in the stabilization of the arm. It's got a ratchet type device at the bottom where if you're um, tightening it and you get into a spot where you can't go 360 degrees, you can ratchet it down, move it, turn, ratchet down, move it, and turn. You can do that both when you're tightening and untightening. It also comes with an extension that you put on the base. It actually raises the base up about 5.5 inches. The arm supports 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 5/8 mounts for different microphones. It comes with a counterweight for lighter microphones. Just snap it on, push it down, sits right behind the ball head. One thing I wanted to note about this extension is you're going to need to use the Allen wrench that came in with it at the base. Once it goes down on the base, there's going to be a place to tighten this down. And also when you put the arm on in here, you're also going to want to tighten it down there as well. Otherwise, it's going to be a little wobbly and you're not going to have the stability that you really want and that this arm can afford. The arm is plastic on the outside. On the inside, it's all metal. It has this ball joint here for mounting your microphones, and it gives you a lot of flexibility as to what direction, up, down, sideways. It really makes the microphone available in all different configurations. With some other microphone arms that I've had, especially with the SM7B, the way it's configured, this part got in the way, and you weren't able to move it as freely as you can with this arm. And as I had mentioned earlier, the counterweight would fit right here. And one of its best features is cable management. Your cable will fit right down here in this channel right here, and you have a rubber piece here that snaps in, and just take it down just like that, and you've got it covered up. It also goes around the top here, and you've got a rubber piece back down here and channeling as well. Oh, and one other feature I wanted to tell you was if you need to extend your cable, you can just pull it. You don't have to take everything apart. You can just pull it right through. Those are all great features. But what really sold me on this microphone arm is the stability. It's not going to be moving a whole lot. It is stable. There's always going to be a little play, but where you put it, it stays there. Bring it over here, it stays there. So a very strong base for stability. The whole mic arm, the ball head where you mount your microphones is a great design, and it's definitely worth keeping. And if you're looking for a mic arm, you might want to check into the Elgato Wave arm for yourself.